English dialogues at an electronic repair shop. Troubleshooting a smartphone issue.
My phone keeps shutting down unexpectedly. Can you figure out what's wrong?
Sure, it might be a battery issue or a software glitch. Let's run some diagnostics to find out.
Inquiring about screen replacement.
I dropped my tablet and the screen cracked. How much would a replacement cost?
For your model, a new screen would cost $15. The repair should take about an hour.
Discussing laptop overheating. My laptop overheats very quickly. What can be done?
It could be due to dust in the vents or failing. I'll open it up and take a look.
Querying about warranty on repairs.
If you replace the battery in my phone, will the repair be under warranty?
Yes, all our repairs come with a 24-month warranty for parts and labor.
Discussing water damage in a camera.
I accidentally dropped my camera in the water. Is there any hope for it?
Water damage can be tricky, but I'll take a look. Sometimes we can rescue the electronics with a thorough cleaning.
Inquiring about repair time.
How long will it take to fix my laptop's screen?
It usually takes about 2-3 days, depending on the availability of the replacement screen.
Discussing a recurring problem.
My phone keeps overheating. Can you find out why?
Absolutely. We'll run some diagnostics to identify the issue. It might be a battery problem or something related to the internal hardware.
Asking about data safety.
If you repair my tablet, will my data be safe?
We always try to protect the data during repairs. However, we recommend backing up your data beforehand, just in case.
Useful phrases. 1. Can you diagnose the issue? 2. How much will the repair cost? 3. Is there a warranty on the repair? 4. How long will the repair take? 5. Do you have parts for device model? 6. Can this be fixed or should I replace it? 7. My device won't turn on. Any suggestions? 8. Is my data safe during repair? 9. Do you offer any maintenance tips? 10. I need to upgrade my device. What do you recommend? 11. Can you recover data from a broken device? 12. Is it possible to fix water damage? 13. Do you handle screen replacements? 14. Are you experienced with specific brand repairs? 15. I think my battery needs replacing.